We have a lot of developers out there. We have AI researchers, we have data scientists, we have machine learning engineers. So there's different audience types, but they're all converging on, hey, what can AI agents do for the business context that I'm working on? And I'm sure you've heard about that MIT study, something like 95% of Gen AI pilots are failing or not making it into production. So you're really at the front, I think, of building the infrastructure that's needed to make these agents productive in business environments. What pain points are you seeing developers face today when they're trying to build and deploy an AI agent, which led you to believe, hey, I want to build Langbase with these opinions in mind? Like, tell us about the problems developers are facing.
I think there are two ways I can answer this question, right? One is to unpack where the community is headed, and the other one is the builder part, right? A lot of people think that anyone can build, but I think I find this a little bit too naive, right? Everybody can build, but I think there will come a time when everybody will be able to build and deploy at the same time. Maybe 2 months ago, I did a talk at AI Engineering World Fair in San Francisco, and at the same time, I did a talk in the GitHub's HQ. There were like, I think 300 plus builders there. And I asked how many of you have actually built an agent. I think like 90% of people have actually built an agent, which was great. Then I asked the most rated question, how many of these agents that you have built, how many of you have actually deployed them? And they're like live and in production. They're like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 hands up.
And that was out of 300.
Out of 300, right?
And for listeners' context, that means out of the 300 people, 90% said, yeah, I've built an agent, but only 3 or 4 people said, I've taken that agent and put it in production where it interacted with a customer and did something for the business and made the agent even do something, let alone, you probably didn't ask, was that agent accurate enough? Did it perform up to the expectations? Did it hallucinate? You're just asking, did you even get the agent into the customer environment where it could interact and do something for the business?
Yeah. So this is scary to me, right? like why is this happening?